remember the first time, alam si Eric, matagal ko nang kilala to. How many years ago?
Alright.
Years ago. 10?
More?
A little bit more than 10 years.
14, 16.
Oh, tama na. Mabubuking na yung age natin. But Eric started as a good choreographer already. And since then, you've developed into a better choreographer, and now you're a director. How did that happen? I mean, why did you switch?
Interest. Basically, it started there. I like watching movies and videos. Aside from,
And you enjoy it a lot, I can tell. Because si Regina naman, the first time I saw her nga was, we were promoting, basta yung mga usual mall tours natin.
That's what, the first time I met you.
What was your first impression
Of you?
of me?
you really want to know.
Hindi ko scripted.
I thought you were really nice.
And I thought you were really, really pretty. Sige.
I thought you were really, really
nice.
Borrowed. Hindi, tsaka talagang super akong nabaitan sa kanya kasi siya yung suggest na i-guest nila ako sa hindi mo na ako kilalanin.
Oh, actually, but you were really talented.
Because you had that parang yung episode niyo that day was yung mga beginners or baguhan, whatever.
You remember that?
I remember her.
But you guys, I'm very, very happy for you. You've gone a long way, and you've gone a long way.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And sana, I think the best thing about all of this is even though after so many years that we've known each other and that we've become friends, we still manage to see each other, get in touch with each other. And most importantly, still be friends, diba?
Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah.
Ay, attach pa kayo.
Touch na touch.